Unwrapping the secret, the physical gift card. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might sound simple at first but is actually quite interesting and relevant in our everyday lives, especially around special occasions. We're talking about physical gift cards. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just a way to say thank you, understanding what a physical gift card is and its nuances can be quite helpful. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind physical gift cards. A physical gift card is essentially a prepaid stored value money card, usually issued by a retailer or bank, to be used as an alternative to cash for purchases within a particular store or related businesses. The key here is the word physical. This means the gift card is a tangible item you can hold, touch, and give to someone in person. It's like a special form of currency, locked and loaded with a certain amount of money that the recipient can spend. Unlike digital or e-gift cards, physical gift cards come in a card form, often beautifully designed, and sometimes can even be personalized. Why opt for a physical gift card? Well, there are several reasons. Firstly, they offer a personal touch. Handing someone a card physically feels more personal and thoughtful than sending a code via email. Secondly, physical gift cards are perfect for those who are less tech-savvy or prefer traditional gifts. They don't require internet access or digital know-how to use. Lastly, they make for a memorable keepsake. Unlike digital cards, the recipient can keep the physical card as a memento, especially if it's from a special occasion or a particular person. Using a physical gift card is straightforward. The recipient simply needs to present it at the time of purchase in the store it's associated with. If the card's value is higher than the purchase amount, the remaining balance stays on the card for future use. However, it's important to check the card's terms and conditions, as some may have expiration dates or fees after a certain period of inactivity. Physical gift cards are a wonderful way to give the gift of choice while still offering something tangible. They bridge the gap between cash and a personalized gift, suitable for any occasion and easy to use. We hope this video has shed some light on what physical gift cards are and why they can be the perfect gift option for your loved ones. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. See you next time.